Presenting Fun Blast Dancing Robot with music for children of age 3 years and above. The toy is available in battery included and without battery variants. The dimensions of each piece are 22.2 cm by 14 cm by 6.8 cm. The whole product weighs 310 grams. The toy aids in shaping up the infant's mind and creativity. It expands visual special skills and hand-to-eye coordination as well. The robot dances on the tunes by lifting its legs and hands in the air. It can rotate 360 degrees, which makes it quite appealing to the little ones. This toy is made of plastic. The play toy requires batteries to run, which are not included. 10 days replacement policy only for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.